But do you feel like it's altogether a new business? Matlab, I know it's like sort of healthcare, but not the tibby type
Correct.
cheese.
So I think Tibbi
या
was,
या like कोई ग्रे एरियाज हैं इन दोनों में.
so it is healthcare, and Tibbi's main focus was to build something which is patient centric, to provide a stellar experience to the patient, जहाँ पे हम उनकी पूरी journey को map करें. Now that can be done through multiple ways. The first way we tried was primary medicine, which we failed miserably. And then with the pivot, we wanted to provide all those services in medical aesthetics, which worked.
और वहाँ से now you have like multiple sort of clinics across Lahore, right?
Yes. So wahan se we started focusing just on aesthetics, and we looked at all the pain points that the sector is facing currently. और यहाँ पे एक और भी innovation आई कि when, and this was a time when no one was ready to invest into Pakistan. So I mean devaluation was going, the government was unstable.
So आप लोगों ने सॉरी पिवट किया जब रफली खान साहब की गवर्नमेंट गई, वर्ल्ड वाइड इकोनॉमी कोलैप्स, यूक्रेन, फलाना ढिमकाना, and that was the moment, right?
That was the moment that we pivoted, and we had just the right amount of funds कि हम इस pivot को show करा सकें to investors. So the idea was कि हम pivot करके कुछ numbers show कराएंगे, and then we'll take it to the investors, और फिर investors को कहेंगे now let's double down on this pivot.
सही.
Unfortunately, जब हमने उसको pivot किया और हमारे पास substantial numbers आए, which were very reassuring numbers, the May incident had happened. And एक नई डायमेंशन में circumstances चले गए. I mean that there was network outages, there were electricity outages,
और आप तो बैठे
political
भी सेंटर में
instability
हैं.
थी, devaluation हो रही है. It was a mess. And I still remember कि उस वक्त किसी ने, and we desperately needed funds. So एक बहुत बड़ा question था, do we open the round or don't we open the round? So we deliberated a lot on to open a round and not, but we came to the conclusion that if there is any right time for us, it is today. And we went on with opening the round, and we started emailing, messaging any and everyone we could.
और फिर लोकल इन्वेस्टर्स आए या बाहर से ज़्यादा?
कोई
बिकॉज
भी
लोग.
नहीं आया.
अच्छा, ओके.
Yeah, we found no one.
Okay.
And that was a blessing in disguise as well. So because फिर हम back to the drawing board चले गए कि हम क्या करें, हम इसको कैसे सोचें. But अब तक एक बहुत कार्डिनल चीज़ फ़र्क हो चुकी हुई थी. So by now I had two co-founders working with me. So the first one was my wife, Dr. Sara, who is a trained doctor from the NHS and knows what a stellar experience means. And the second is my childhood friend Ahmed. So Ahmed has worked in companies like Amazon and Uber, and he understands how to take a business on scale. So पहले जो एक दिमाग सोच रहा था, there were three minds thinking of solutions, and we came up with the most innovative franchising model. And we thought that अगर हमने पैसे ही रेज करने हैं फॉर हमें ग्रोथ के लिए चाहिए, तो हम लोकल इन्वेस्टर्स को फ्रेंचाइज ऑप्शन देंगे. एंड व्हेन वी फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस दिस, the fire spread like anything. We were getting calls from local investors. ये जो लोग प्रॉपर्टी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, जो डॉलर्स खरीद के रख लेते हैं, जो गोल्ड खरीद के रख लेते हैं, उनको हमने एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दे दी जहाँ पे आप बैंक को भी बीट करते हैं और आपको परपेचुअल फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ रिटर्न्स मिलते
सो
हैं.
आई थिंक उनको प्रॉबली लग रहा था कि यार ये हमको स्टार्टअप में भी नहीं फंड कर रहे, ये एक्चुअल बिजनेस
ये बिजनेस
ले रहे
है,
हैं हम
ऑन
लोग.
ग्राउंड
Yeah.
बिजनेस है जो आपको मंथली रिटर्न्स देगा, एंड बेटर देन व्हाट ऑल अदर इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर गिविंग यू.
Like
एंड
more than
देन
the real estate.
yes, more
Okay.
than the real estate, more than the bank. The bank, mind you, is giving you 22% today. That was a big benchmark to meet. Like ऐसी circumstances के अंदर पैसे रेज करना is the toughest जब
Sure.
इतने ज़्यादा interest rates हो. Because हर बंदा prefer करता है मैं बैंक में पैसे रखवा दूँ. It's safe, right? So we still managed to convince them to put in franchises, and now our growth is entirely on getting local investors and building these blocks.
सही
We've
है.
built 3 already. We're on to building the 4th.
Wow. और उसमें now you're not like उस तरह raising for the company.
So we continue to raise in order to build the technology. So there is a huge technology play. So we really feel that the biggest pain point in medical aesthetics is how to quantify aesthetics. आप
Hmm.
डायग्नोस्टिक्स में होते हैं तो आपको फ़ौरन एक नंबर मिल जाता है. आपका लिवर फंक्शन टेस्ट हाई है, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, वो आपको दवाइयाँ देते हैं, आपका लिवर फंक्शन टेस्ट बेहतर हो गया, गुड डॉक्टर, ही गेव यू अ गुड ट्रीटमेंट. नहीं ठीक हुआ, you go to someone else. But you can hold the practitioner
Hmm.
accountable and you can quantify your progress. This was missing in the aesthetic world. So we're building technology today that tracks your progress. So 6 months down the lane, you can go and hold your practitioner accountable that, this is how I looked. 6 months of your treatments, I'm here. Like,
So,
where does the difference lie?